Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a sitemap for your WordPress website and how you can submit that sitemap. So first of all, here I can go and type XML sitemap generator, and here you can see this is the website where you can go and here you can create a sitemap. So just you can copy website link and simply you can add here. Then click on start button, and here you can see sitemap started. And once it done, we will get a file that we need to upload in cPanel. Just I can go and let me show you how it works. So I'm choosing HostGator web hosting, so I can go here and log in into my hosting account here on hosting, and then scroll down. Here you can see cPanel. You will also get cPanel link in your email. So as you can see, I have logged in into cPanel. Now simply I need to go in file manager, and now here you can see I have multiple websites in my cPanel. So now I need to add an upload file in the website directory. Here you can see this is website main directory. So now I need to go back and then click here view sitemap details. Then here you can see these are the steps. Just click here to download your file. So guys, here you can see file is downloaded. Now I need to go back and then click on upload button and then select the file, this one. So file is uploaded, just I need to go back. That's done. So alright, this one. Now the next step is what I need to do. Make sure that you have connected Google Search Console with your website. So I have created video. You can watch and see how it works. So the next step is now I need to add backslash then wp sitemap.xml. Just type this one wp-sitemap.xml, and here you will get your sitemap URL. Now you can come here in sitemaps, then here you can add it, then click on submit button. So guys, here you can see sitemap is submitted.